Question number 51. Let x1, x2 up to xn be a random sample from uniform 0, 1 distribution. The asymptotic distribution of empirical CDF function f and x is. So we are given that we have a random sample of size n. We have a random sample of size n from uniform 0, 1. Now we are asked to find the distribution of empirical CDF. The distribution now, what is the CDF of x? The CDF of x, fx of x can be written as x. Okay, why? Because if x follows uniform distribution with parameters a comma b, then the CDF is given as x minus a upon b minus a. So on the place of a we have 0, on the place of b we have 1. So this will be x only. So we have written that the CDF of x will be small x. Now what is the empirical CDF? The empirical CDF is written as fn of x is equals to 1 upon n summation I going from 1 to n indicator function I. And this is small xi less than, sorry, capital Xi less than equals to small x. What is this indicator function? This indicator function is taking two values, it takes value 1 if capital Xi is less than small x, and takes value 0 if capital Xi takes value greater than small x. Now, what is this? So we are dividing a summation by n. So it's a kind of average. And I is taking value 1. So we are taking the proportion of sample observations that are less than or equal to a value x. Okay, so we do not need to focus on the definition here. We just need to find the distribution of this CDF. Now, if you know that if you know the distribution of random variable x, you know the CDF of random variable x, then you will be able to find the distribution of empirical CDF. Now, the distribution of empirical CDF is always normally distributed with mean fx of x and variance fx of x into 1 minus f of x divided by n. So what is the value of fx of x? This we have obtained here. So this will be x. Now the value is x, then 1 minus x divided by n. So the distribution of empirical CDF is normal with mean x and variance x into 1 minus x upon n. So option C is correct. So what we have done in this question, we have calculated the CDF of the given distribution, and then we need to know this property of distribution of empirical CDF, that the distribution of empirical CDF is normally distributed with mean fx and variance fx into 1 minus fx divided by n. Then we need to put the value of the CDF here and here. Then we will be able to find the mean and variance. So this will be the distribution of empirical CDF.